I'm going to show you how these rich people turn £1,000 into 1 million just by watching this simple chart. Guys, welcome back for another video. Let's take a look at Glassnode. Over here, they show on-chain analysis data that you do not see on exchanges anywhere or on the, the trading analysis. All the Guys, Glassnode is powerful, and I think you need to pay attention to this. If you was watching this chart, you would know exactly what was going on with all the holders of Bitcoin. Now, this particular one shows the number of addresses with a balance of 1 Bitcoin or more, right? And it is powerful. Before I go any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions on this, so please do your further research before you invest your money, right? Look at this, the number of addresses, right, with 1 Bitcoin. Let's just look back at the last 2018 cycle, 2017. It rode up, and you can see the white line is the Bitcoin price, right? Rode all the way up, had its top, came back down, and then you can see here for a period of time it was consolidating, then it just capitulated. A massive crash down in October. And I remember that. I always say to you, I was sitting in Starbucks with my Frappuccino, and I was just sitting there drinking. My eyes were just like that. Telling my friend, I gotta go. I gotta buy XRP. But I should have been buying Ethereum. But when you look at the orange line, this shows the amount of people holding Bitcoin, more than 1 Bitcoin. And as you can see, like through that period of time, through July, August, September, it started to curve. And you can see it started to curve way before the crash. What does it mean? It means people with 1 Bitcoin was less. There was less wallets holding it because they were selling it off. And you can get a good insight here as to when you should consider taking profits before a big crash comes. And that's what this is about. So we saw a massive curve of people selling off Bitcoin or getting rid of less, not holding 1 Bitcoin anymore. And then straight after that, so where was that? Look, this dip happened in October the 18th of 2018. And then what's this? Look, November, a month later, it comes crashing down. Even, you can almost call it 2 months if you like. Over a month and a half later, it comes crashing down, capitulation. And why am I showing you this? Because I want to show you what's going on today over here. So let's just skip forward and have a look on this right-hand side now. Same thing again. Look, when we saw this massive COVID capitulation, right? It started to come back up. Prices were rising. Look at the Bitcoin addresses. Look, more than 1 Bitcoin address. Okay, we saw a little dip here, but take a look. It started to curve downwards way before we saw the peaks of the market. So this means that many people started to sell off on Bitcoin at these highs here. And this is what I was trying to say to you before in my last Glassnode video, is that many people believed the top was in around this time area, from February to March of 2021, rather than the actual top of 69K. I still think this was a fake top. This was according to Glassnode, with all this on-chain data that people don't see, this was the top here. And I tell you what, I'm going to keep my eye on this because there's going to become another curve. And that's when I'm going to be considering taking some serious profits, just like here before the crash. Right? And if you don't want to miss it, become a patron. Why? Because my patrons get exclusive Glassnode on-chain analysis charts and data every time, as much as I can, making sure that they stay up to date with this stuff. They're seeing it real time, and that's what this is about, real time. You could join Glassnode now if you like. Some people look at it for free, but when you go on the free chart, you don't see, put my hand there, trying to block it, you don't see most of this data because it's not real time. It probably cuts it off about, around about here. So if you want to see that real time data, you have to pay for the higher tiers. So I've got the higher tier, and this is what's going to really help many people on their journey know when, when we're seeing these curves, know when to be taking profits along with these other people that are not even, accumulating. Where are we today? And I'm going to zoom this in, right? So let's just zoom it in from, get a good clean look of this whole 2020 area. So look, my fine example, Elon Musk talks about owning Bitcoin. Prices are going sky high because you got institutional money, then you got retail. We are retail. All the retail's going crazy. I better buy some now. Not thinking about every person that has 1 Bitcoin is selling off. Look, all the wallets are decreasing. Had we been watching this, you would have known. right before the crash, look. And then straight after the crash comes tumbling down. Where are we today? Since that crash, we've just been look, all the people here, more and more addresses are accumulating Bitcoin. Look, more and more and more and more and more. And you know what the crazy thing is? It's not slowing down. It's accumulating more and more. Look, this is the most recent data over here on the far right. And I'm going to zoom this in even more so you can see what's seriously going on. More and more people are accumulating Bitcoin right now. What does it mean? Well, it means that no one's ready to sell off. People are looking to hold. It's as if to say that there's something bigger about to happen. Maybe we're about to see something big. I don't know. I'm just showing you what I see here on Glassnode, and it's powerful. But when I see this curve, when I start to see a curve come down and prices are high, you best believe, Patreons, you're going to see them alerts. And I will change my voice like this. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Show you how powerful this chart can be. Look, it is not slowing down. We're right here. We're not slowing down. We're seriously going up and up and up. And, you know, once the curve happens, that's when I'm going to keep updating my Patreons. Make sure you don't miss it. Become a Patreon. It's a fresh new month. You're going to see this stuff constantly, okay? And it's going to help you on your journey. You're going to know exactly when to buy and sell. If you missed my last Glassnode video, make sure you check it out. It's on YouTube. If you don't want to miss anything on these, you know, become a Patreon. You'll see it all here. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you liked it, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Hopefully this helped you understand why, you know, what I'm doing and why I'm looking at this stuff. You know, so yeah, thank you for watching. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.